Hello everyone, this is Himanshu. So guys, in this video, I am going to share with you my 9 band secret strategy of list of headings, because guys, list of heading is one of the toughest part of reading and most of the student hate this. But don't worry guys, I hope after watching this video you will consider list of heading as a piece of cake, and after this video you will like solving list of headings. So let's begin. And I have already made one video on this, but you guys are demanding to make that video in English, and you can also say this is the English version, but this is more modified and more convenient version of my past video. So let's look at some common problems which most of the students face while solving list of headings. The first most common problem in this case is there are more headings than paragraph, and it became difficult to know which heading is correct for you. And the next difficulty in this case is some headings will very similar in meaning. You guys are also confused in two headings that which one is correct, and this is why, because most of the headings are similar to each other. They are called traps. So be aware of traps in this type of question. And the structure of list of headings are very confusable. You guys are easily get confused in list of headings. Synonyms and paraphrasing is also very high level, and because of list of heading you have to read full passage only for one answer. This is the most biggest problem, and this may reason for most of the student to waste plenty of time on reading one passage only, on reading one paragraph or one heading only. So don't be worried guys, I will solve all your problems in this video one by one. Just watch this video fully, don't skip this video, because I will share all the secrets which I have got about this type of question. So let's start the video. Some quick tips from my side is, first and foremost, is that always read passage first before headings. Yes guys, because this will, if you read heading first you will get confused while reading passage, because you will always trying to match the keywords of list of headings. That's totally wrong thing. And second mistake most of the student did is they always read first two lines and last two lines of passage. I don't know, what a boring and what a waste of time trick guys, because this trick not even work for you on single time, not even work for single time, because this is worst trick, because you have to read fully passage for finding one heading only. And the second tip guys for you is, but before that tip I will help you with example at the end of the video. Don't miss that example video. And second tip is this guys, always try to solve this type of question firstly, because if you once solve this type of question, you can easily solve other types of question, because you have already read passage. And now let's see how to solve this type of question in most easiest and comfortable way, which I always use. What you need to do, let's consider this section E, passage first. You have to read full passage with full understanding, and you can mark some important words like some connectors, some paradox connectors which swings the decision, which swings the topic guys. And you can, after reading the passage, you can write small summary, means you can write your own heading, you can give own heading to that passage. After that what you need to do is, you have to do two things. Firstly, mark the connectors, mark the paradox connectors, and after that you have to read the summary, you have to write the summary. After writing summary, your own heading, then what you need to do is try to use elimination method. After doing this, you can easily find your answer. If still not find, if you will get confused in two headings, then what you need to do is match your list of headings with both of them, and the most convenient part is your answer guys. So let's look at one example which I am going to solve in front of you. This will give you idea how to solve these type of question. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to read instruction carefully, because guys, sometimes in instruction they said you can use one heading more than once. So in that case, if you will forget to read that one, and then you will find one answer wrong. So after reading instruction, simply move to the passage. Now start reading. First, read the topic Attitudes Towards Artificial Intelligence. After reading, now start reading the passage. Passage is about artificial intelligence, and you can get to know about it from topic. And you please guys don't make your own prediction about these topics. If you already know anything about topic, then skip that from your mind. Artificial intelligence can already predict the future. Police forecast forces are using it to map when and where crimes is likely to occur. Doctors can use it to predict when a patient is mostly likely to have a heart attack or smoke. Researchers are even trying to give AI imagination so that it can plan for unexpected consequences. So they are talking about superiority, means they are talking about artificial intelligence, its benefits, and after that many decisions require good forecast, and AI is almost better at forecasting than we are. Here they are comparing then. Yet all for this technology, and we still seem to deeply lack confidence in AI. Pretty recent cases show that the people do not relying on AI and prefer to trust human experts, even if these experts are wrong. So if we want AI to really benefit people, we need to find a way to get people trust it. To do what, we need to understand why they are so don't trust. So guys, in first paragraph they are talking about artificial intelligence, its benefit. So you can simply write first keyword benefits or superiority of artificial intelligence. And in second passage they are saying that people more rely on human beings prediction than artificial intelligence. They don't know why, but even if they are wrong. And they also compared artificial intelligence by human. In second line you can see after first line, almost better at forecasting than we are. So they are also comparing artificial intelligence with them. They said their artificial intelligence is better than. And in last passage they said why people are so don't trust artificial in the first place. They have made a question how to make people trust artificial intelligence. Now simply move to list of headings. So mainly they are talking about three things in three different passages. First about artificial intelligence, then second they are comparing artificial intelligence with them and also talking its better way. And third, they have made a question how to make people trust, because they are not trusting. First one is wrong because an increasing diverse of attitudes, because there are no attitudes and reasons why we are. So guys, there was no reasons in the paragraph, though this one is also wrong. The superiority of AI projections over those made by humans. Yes guys, this looks similar. You can mark it down and read others also. The process, fourth one is the process by which AI can help us make good decisions. They are not talking about process, wrong. Advantages, no guys, there was no advantages. Widespread, no guys. Encouraging openers about how AI functions, no guys, not function. A surprisingly success, so guys, not a single success they are talking about. So at first we was confused in third, and let's see, read it again. The superiority of AI projection over those made by humans. They are also talking about superiority, comparison, and all these summary. Our summary is matched with third statement. So guys, this is the answer. I hope you get it right. With these two-step strategies, summary and elimination, you can easily crack any type of list of hacking. I give you guarantee guys, you can solve. But what you need to do is guys, just put it in right way and try to understand the passage what they are talking about. Don't. And also consider the paradox connectors that we have considered then in our second passage. So be aware of that connectors, because that will help you a lot to get heading. So I hope this video is very helpful for you. If yes, then please click like button, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that red button so that you can become a part of our family member, our channel member. So I will upload more series in reading. I will solve all types of reading questions. So guys, now what you need to do is just support more and more to our channel. Click like button, subscribe if you have not, and your love is guys the only thing which made me to make awesome contents, grab awesome tricks, hacks for you. At last, share your doubts and compliments in comment section. And if you want to watch our past video of list of headings, then click first one video. And if you have still reading problem, then click visit second playlist and click left one button and then click subscribe button and like share with your friends. Okay guys.